Ultimate bitch. It's a new day, bitch, man. Pretty boy, you feel me? Yeah, man. It's your boy Lil B, man. I'm rocking on these niggas, strong arming. You feel me? Still gutter with it. Still asleep, still waking up. Shit daily, man. In that dream. I punish bitches, I put Glocks on niggas. It could be your fucking kid that feel that fucking trigger. I came up so fast, I got whiplash. Passed the game so fast, and I stole the cash. I hit a lick so big, I'm a goon again. Now I'm a thug fucking harder than I ever did. The game up and down, nigga, like the stock market. My mixtape game, nigga, is the black market. I never played for money, I got no paper. My money and my family. I got judged before the fucking court of law. Judge took a couple deals for the money scandalous. You know what I'm saying? You know them judges will take that. Boy, you gon' come up, boy? I'm gangster, man. You know you got that money. If you really connected to them billions, you feel me? A million, you can play them games. Let's get up. I'm young and I'm in California. I'm a California boy with the Gucci shotgun. Uzi a shotgun, I usually pop one. I put suckers underground like them indie movies. Any movie I'm in, this shit's real. Look me in my eyes, bitch, because my hustle's real. I pop suckers over issue. Like you 40, I take a life for my fucking issue. Like you 40, I love my niggas too. I never been a petty thief, but I sell a brick flat, bitch, and never speak. I used to buy fake Jordans all up in the streets. Now I'm that street nigga that can buy the fucking sweets. I beat the bitch, but I beat my never, nigga. Never gangster, nigga. No homo, nigga. Hey, man, that's for you pussy ass niggas, man. These niggas getting hoes, we getting money, you feel me? Popping bottles, nigga, we do whatever I do, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Pick and choose the game, nigga. Ultimate bitch, nigga.